How did your students, the students experience the project?
Yeah, one of my students, in fact, made an audio recording, and I would like um, to show this to you. Let you hear it.
Okay, so it's a different version of learning. Most students and teenagers nowadays, they don't like learning from books anymore. It's not kind of our thing anymore. Some people do, but not most of us. So what we tend to do is we go on social media, technology. That's what we like. And for us, it's a better way of learning. We learn faster with it. And through games and this, we speak. It's a way faster, easier learn way to learn a new language. That's how I learn English. For nowadays, people, this works so much better. I think my entire class went so much more forward with their German just through this project. There's no need to shame. Everybody is learning. Nobody exactly controls his language. Everybody is still in progress of learning, so makes a lot of mistakes. And because we make these mistakes, and we both make them, we're kind of like in our own safe place that we make mistakes, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah, that we make mistakes and it doesn't matter, and that is really what better situation can you imagine as a teacher when a student says, "Okay, I can make mistakes, but it doesn't matter." I mean, that is learning, right?